We're looking at a vintage muscle saw. That's the Homelite Super XP 1130. It's 100 cc's, very powerful chainsaw for the mid-60s. This one features a 50-inch barn chain. And that's a number 10 chain. And it's well used, the chain is. Still got a little life left in it there. Get a close-up of that chain for you. And we'll take a close-up look at some of the features this saw has. Kill switch is on the left. Right in the middle, the manual oiler. And choke is on the right. It is a gear drive. And it's got that extra falling spike they used on the bucking. You can see that big spike down here. Don't see that very often on these big saws. And it's got the wrap handlebars. And you can see that big gearbox now. Large falling spike. Muffler's still in good shape. It's just a very nice vintage saw.